Today I'm going to talk about my newest piece of audio gear for weddings, and for anything really. That's the Instamic there. That's how small it is. It's pretty wild. So the Instamic comes in white and black. I got it in black because it's more discreet. If I want to mic the bride, I brought separate covers for it. A white cover here, and then a white fuzzy in case it's a windy day. The Instamic has various clips, as a magnet clip where it can clip on to anything. You can put it on a speaker at a wedding reception to have safe audio in case something were to happen to the DJ's mixer. It's kind of like a GoPro. You can attach it to anything. It's waterproof. Don't really know what you'd be capturing underwater, but I'm sure you could think of something. I haven't used it yet, but there'll be a part 2 to this video when I do use it, and I'll let you know my thoughts.
Welcome back to part 2 of this video. So now that I had some time to use the Instamic, there are some things that I like about it, and there are some things that I don't like about it. So let's jump right into it. We'll start with the good things first. Okay, so the first good thing is the size. It's super small. So the second thing I like about it is the internal storage. No need to go out and buy an SD card of any kind. It's really easy. You just upload it on your computer, and then when you're ready to delete everything on it, you can just put all your files into the trash and then empty your trash, and they should be deleted on the Instamic. Another awesome feature about this is that if you go to the app, you can monitor your audio before you record. So there's a catch. It would be nice if you could monitor while it's recording. But I mean, if you have your talent or whoever you're putting it on say a couple words before they actually go on, well then you'll know that it'll sound good. So the mic charges through USB. It's really easy. You can plug it into any USB adapter. If any of you use the Tascam mics, you'll know that they have dual recording, which this mic also offers. So it's really nice to always have that safe track. You can dual record at -9 dB, -15, and -24. So the Instamic comes with 3 connectors. The magnet connector, which I'll use the most, the Velcro connector, and then the tape connector. So if you live stream, you can actually use the Instamic for live streaming, which is a nice feature. And the mic will give you about 3.5 hours of battery life with a 1-hour charge time. So I got the version where you have stereo and mono recording. The clips I'm gonna play now are using the stereo microphone. One is just the laundry machine running, and the other is the tap water running in my house. And then for the mono microphone, you're listening to it right now. I'm actually using the Instamic to record the second part of this video. So you should be able to hear audio difference if you go back to the first part compared to the second part. Things I don't like about the Instamic, one is the record button. So I think the record button is absolute trash. One, it doesn't click, so you really don't know when you push it in. I tried turning it off all the time. It says hold it for 5 seconds. Half the time it'll start recording when I do that, and I can't get it to turn off. It's always flashing. You never know what the hell's going on. It's just a mess. The button really sucks, and if I didn't have the app on my phone, I wouldn't even bother using the Instamic, because honestly, I wouldn't be able to tell when it's recording and when it's not recording. If you have the app though on your phone, it's very easy to use, so that does make up for it. I would never use this for main source audio because of that. The Tascams are really nice because they have the lock, so you know it won't turn off. But even if you have this on, I feel like just the touch of the skin could turn the audio off. So the second thing I don't like about it is the battery life. 3.5 hours is okay, but I mean, the Tascams will go through the whole day without dying on one AAA battery. So I'd rather have that than have a mic that only lasts 3.5 hours, and then after that, you have to leave it charged for an hour, and if you're in the middle of a shoot, that's not gonna be very helpful for you. All right, so if you wanna pick up one of these Instamics and you're wondering about the price, with the Instamic and the 2 covers that I got, it came to 325 Canadian dollars. It is a little expensive, and to note, if you're in Canada, you're gonna have to pay an import fee. I don't know if they've mentioned this. It might be in like that fine detail. So basically I ordered this, and then after I ordered it, I got a call from FedEx. Even though you pay a pretty big shipping fee with Instamic, they don't cover the charges to bring it over the border. So I still think I had to pay like $30 extra to get it over the border on top of that price. So just something to note if you live in Canada or anywhere outside the US in that matter. All right, so that's it for this week's video. I'll see you next week.
So I just turned this microphone on to show you. Sorry, this is supposed to be the end of the video, but it's not. I just tried to turn the microphone back off, and as you see again, now it's recording. All right, there we go. Just turned off. It took 3 tries, I think.